So today we're going to actually work on a page featuring some of my husband's artwork. This is supposed to be a rose vampire, and he actually painted this in Clip Studio. I actually added some word art from a Joanne set. Here is the art piece once I actually printed it and put it on a couple of layers of cardstock. And here are some roses that my husband drew. He wanted to just use a stock paintbrush, but I made him actually draw them by hand and paint them himself, which looks really awesome. I actually added some of them to some cardstock that's similar to the one that the rose lady's on. Here I'm measuring how big I want the window to be, and it's not precise because I never really measure anything. And I watched the process of me making these two pages. Alright, here goes the finished piece, and now I want you to just take a look how beautiful this window is. Our own custom window. We have the little poem we made with the scary words, and also you can kind of see most of the artwork. Let's go ahead and put this into our journal. And it looks even better now that it's in the book. Look how pretty the stars are. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.